Guys, welcome to the channel. So today I am in Green Island. Rainy day in Jamaica, in the Green Island area, guys. Yeah man, so you can see what I go on. Just get some rain in Green Island. So tell me what you think about this area. You know, it's nice when rain fall at Jamaica. Very, very nice. So if you like the rain, yeah man, you can indicate where you're watching from. I'm telling you, the place look nice, quiet, nice, some nice raindrops. So big up all of the Green Island people them. Yeah man, Hanover area, St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland. Big up on yourself and thank you all for tuning into the channel. Yeah man, everybody's supposed to know that home, but they make windows and doors, so if you don't want to do windows and door, you can come and them place here at Green Island Home Solution. And also you have an auto detailing. Yeah man, at Green Island we there, you know. Green Island, Hanover. Yeah man. So this is the Green Island, Hanover area. Check if we can get some two-side tape in other place here. So keep on watching my paper. Yeah man, keep on watching. I see if we get some two-side tape. Met in some difficulty a while ago, so I buy a piece of two-side tape and see if I can get the thing sorted out, you know. So just can hang on a little bit, get some two-side tape and then hit the road again, alright? Yeah man, so I just get a two-side tape ready to go again in a Green Island, Hanover. Yes, my people, this is beautiful Jamaica. Yeah man, look up on the road for them big truck we are passing, because you know them truck are always speeding, slippery when wet. Man, so you know that take my little time and go through. Watch the biker boys going through. Yeah man, so I go over the Green Island Bridge now. That's where we're gonna head into the Green Island Bridge. Yeah, man. I have to know them place here inside out, you know. Can't make it come like say. Yeah, see them have them soap, them fruits in the area. So some old-fashioned building. Like police up on the road there, so the bike man them turn back. Yeah. Police are go after them, you know, you hear what I go on. Watch out now, my people. Police are going to run them down, man. Watch out and see what I go on. Maybe the police them tap me too. But I'm ever straight on the road, nothing to worry about. Always just obey the law. And you never in any problem with the police. Rainy day. Yeah, man, rainy day. I have to pull off some of the time and so I go up on the road, pull off. Yeah. Go to a restaurant in the area, so. Man, take me a little time I head out and now. Was never looking to get any rain today. Place underwater. Slippery when wet. So yes, some paper. Now we'll leave Green Island and now. place just look green and pretty. On the right you have the Half Moon Beach. Now in Orange Bay. Yeah man, them call them place Orange Bay on my paper. So from Green Island to Orange Bay. Yeah man, so big up on yourself when I watch from. Yeah man, so we are in the Orange Bay area.